Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a simple train like with a lot of things. So you can make a train using anything like basically. So I just went on sketch and started drawing a box. You can do the same as me. So now I have drawn a box. I'm just going to draw another box connecting it to make it like that. And I'm going to keep doing this for like forever. So like I'm gonna like do it. I'm just gonna try like make it perfect. Then I'm going to use a center point circle. And then I'm going to do this. And then I'm doing the same thing here. That's way too big. So I'm going to do it again. And I'm going to do it up here maybe. Okay, I think that's okay. Now it's time to not click on that. I'm going to try copy everything. And I'm going to copy these two. Like hold shift. And then I hold shift. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate it, and I'm going to move it with those arrows. So there. Now I'm gonna keep doing this for like a really long time, and like I'm gonna show you how to just extrude it. So it's like pretty easy to extrude, and you're like almost done. And the thing is blocking my view of the second train, so it's pretty annoying. But I think I can manage. Okay. So now I just need to make it the same size as the train, because a train can't handle that big. So there. Now I'm going to keep on doing this for a video. Like I'm gonna keep on doing this. So I'm going to just fillet it down, and I'm gonna fillet it for a few seconds. But it looks like I can't make it a full fillet, but I think that's okay. I'm gonna do the same thing here, and it won't let us again. So there. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to like show you how it looks like so far. And I'm sure a train is not like this small, but it won't let me fillet it. So I'm guessing something wrong with the software. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click fillet again to try to see if it's just the thing. So it won't let us do anything. So I'm just gonna try and make it show like it does something for us, but it's not letting me do anything. So I think there's something wrong with my design, so I can't fillet it. So there, I'm going to now, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to just do the other side and see if that works or not. And if it does work, then it's definitely a problem. Then no, it's not working. So it's it's just normal. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to like do some just try duplicate it. And now I'm going to like. So now I'm just gonna keep on duplicating it. So I'm gonna keep on duplicating it forever. So there, I've duplicated it. Now I'm gonna move it that way, and I'm gonna move it down a bit, and I'm gonna I need a connection between them. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to make a set square. So I'm just gonna make a square to connect them. I don't know what happened. So then what I'm gonna do is I'm going to do it all again, because I don't know what happened. Oh yeah, because I click Control plus Z and I'm trying to do it again. So why was I doing that? So now I'm gonna just try move it down a bit. Move it down a bit more, and I'm just gonna try connect it. Now now it's perfect. So now we need to right click to do it. I'm going to copy all of this. It's obviously not going to copy the last two because I don't know why. So I'm going to click shift. I'm going to click shift. I'm going to click Control plus C. And then I'm going to click Control plus V. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to move it up a bit. And move it like that. Now it's now much easier to do it. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to like click yes, and now I'm going to extrude all of these little ones, and I'm going to keep on extruding them all. And now once I've done that, I can like make them the same size and do stuff like that. So I'm going to just have to click all of them so far. I'm going to click all of them, and I'm going to keep on clicking all of them. And now, like, it's okay, so I'm just going to click the last one in. I clicked the last one in, and now I'm going to make it the same size. Now that's perfect. So now it looks good. So like, you know, it looks nice. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to like say the exit intro, but it looks nice, like with different colors. So in Onshape you can't select your color. You have to like make it on. You have to like, you know, just go with the software's colors. And now I'm going to show you how it looks. So like an aerial view, like how it looks and what, like how good it looks. Now I'm going to like so it's not, it's like nice. And you know how those Indian trains go and past? If you haven't seen a cargo train, they're like this, like they have this. So I'm gonna show you how this looks. It looks good, and it's like especially like it just looks good. In fact, it like this view. It's just showing all the cartridges. Now, so bye guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. Bye.